Hi everyone, Namaste. So first of all, a very happy Eid to all of you in advance, and today I'm doing this Eid makeup look, and this look is very easy to achieve. I have used minimum products and this look is very much wearable. So if you want to see that how I achieved this look, so keep on watching this video. So I'm starting off with this primer and this is from Color Bar. It is going to mattify your skin और ये आपकी स्किन को स्मूथ भी कर देगा ताकि आपका बेस बहुत अच्छे से लग सके. For my foundation, I'm applying this Maybelline Fit Me and this is in the shade Natural Beige. I think the foundation has given me a good coverage, so I'm not going to apply concealer on my face. I'm just going to apply a brightening powder from this Makeup Revolution Duo Sculpt, and I'm trying to use minimal products and to keep this look very easy. For my eyeshadow, I'm using this Nicka K palette and I'll be using this light golden shade and the brown one to do my eyeshadow. I have applied the same golden eyeshadow in my inner corners, and on my outer corners I'm again going to apply the brown eyeshadow in a V shape, and then I'm going to blend this all. I'm going to repeat all the steps for the eyeshadow on my other eyelids. And one more thing, if your eyeshadow is not that pigmented like mine, so you just have to pat the eyeshadow on your eyelids. आपको बस eyeshadow brush पे लेके आपको ऐसे इस पे place करना है, आपको इसे paint नहीं करना है, नहीं तो आपका कलर अच्छे से नहीं दिख पाएगा. I have used the same golden eyeshadow in half of my lower lash line from the inner corners, and on the outer corners I'm going to apply the same brown eyeshadow. For my eyeliner, I'm going to use this Lakme Absolute Shine and this is in the shade Brown Shimmer. So I'm going to make a winged eyeliner with this. Now I'm going to apply this nude pencil on my waterline. I'm going to use this powder all over my face to set it because I'm sweating a lot. I'm going to use the same Makeup Revolution Duo palette to contour my face. For my blush, I'm using this Maybelline Cheeky Glow and the shade is Fresh Coral. To highlight my face, I'm using this Revlon highlighting palette. I'm going to mix all the shades and then I'm going to use this as my highlighter. For my lips, I'm using this NYX Soft Matte Lip Cream and the shade is Monte Carlo. And I forgot to apply mascara, so for this I'm using this Maybelline Lash Sensational Mascara. So I'm almost done with the look, and I have not done my eyebrows because my eyebrows are already very thick and I have to go somewhere, so I don't want to go with a very thick brows. And I'm just going to set my face again with this powder, and I'm going to apply this on my neck as well. So this is the final look, और मैंने एक बिंदी भी यहाँ पे लगाई है because I like nose pin with the traditional look. So this was my Eid makeup look, and I hope you liked it, and if you liked it, so hit the like button and subscribe my channel. And now I'm going to announce the name of the giveaway winner. So before announcing the name, I want to thank all of you for supporting me so well, and there is one more surprise for you. I'm going to do a giveaway again. So I'm going to give these brushes. I have these brushes from Walmart. I purchased this from Walmart, and I don't use them much, so these are 8 brushes. So I'm going to give this away, but I have used this 3-4 times, or else you have one more option. I'm going to give this Sugar Smudge Me Not liquid lipstick, and the shade is Drop Dead Red. I'm giving this shade because this is going to suit every skin tone. So the second winner will have the option. You can choose from these brushes, or you can choose this liquid lipstick, so it's up to you. So to participate in the giveaway contest, just check the description box for all the details, and I'm going to announce the name of the winner now. So the winner is Naila Siddiqui. Congratulations. So that was all for the video. I will see you guys next time. Till then, take care. Goodbye.